Maggie and I just did our daily fetch in the morning, plus I go on Insta Story Live on my Plantriotic account. We had a great time talking to all of you, thank you. And I taught her a trick. I didn't film it because I was so excited in the moment, but I'll show you later. We'll practice again. She just learned a new command and it's so cute and awesome. All right, wanna make some orange juice? Avocado toast this morning.
Only in LA?
Yeah, gotta get the trendy hipster vegan diet vibes. And there's oatmeal over there. We got orange juice. Today's a chill day. I think everyone's kind of doing a lot of their own thing. We're going to Hollywood, girl. Actually, I shouldn't say that. I'm gonna leave you here because I have a business meeting.
We're going to Hollywood.
Yeah, you can go to Hollywood.
Yeah.
OMG. OMG. Oh my God. How far can she take you? Keep going, Maggie.
Like, what is going on?
Where are you taking my person?
That's my lady.
Go, Maggie. Get what you want in life. But aren't they just crazy? Aren't those youngins so crazy?
Right.
You're a strong girl. Bye, Max. I love you. Be good. I have an important meeting. I'll see you later. Good luck. Don't bark too much and get the people of the house mad. So I've got a business meeting, I guess you could call it, which is something new for me. I don't do this often. I really run my YouTube channel as a solo personal endeavor because odds are if I teamed up with someone, they would be telling me what to do. Maybe it would influence the spontaneity of my travels, the content that I put out, but I'm open to the concept. I'm open to doing anything where I can keep it as real as possible and speak my mind unfiltered, have no one tell me what to say so that I keep it real and authentic. That's probably why you're here. So I want to keep that steady while also hopefully be able to grow my channel, build more of a solid business so I, don't have to worry about money as much. Also to just spread the vegan message more. There's a lot of different reasons why it is always good to take opportunities when they do come to fruition, and this is a great opportunity to maybe serve me and the person who I'm meeting with. So I'll keep it vague like that for now, and if anything comes from it, I'll let you know, but I'm taking the chance. Yo, that meeting was awesome. I'm not gonna get into details, but I feel like something epic's gonna come out of that. I am very grateful. You always gotta take chances in life, my friends. You gotta call people, you gotta pick up the phone, you gotta send the emails. The only thing that people can do if you reach out for help and collaboration is say no. And who cares if they say no? There's no harm in that. You gotta go take risks and reach out and do something, because if you sit around and wait for people to come to you, it's simply not gonna happen. If you have an idea, go and tackle it. If you fail 10 times, try the 11th time, and I guarantee you at some point it will work. Yes, I got a call from Aspen or a text that Maggie peed in the house again. She freaks out when I'm gone. She has not peed once when I've been home, except for the first day that I got her. So she's just too stressed when I leave, so we gotta go home and see her. Check out this banana tree right in Hollywood. Oh, those look awesome. Now it's time for Buckley's walk. You get to go out too. We just can't take Buckley and Maggie out because Maggie is a Olympic level athlete on a weight loss path, whereas Buckley is just an old man. He likes to walk for a little bit, take his merry old time, and Uncle Ben is gonna take him out. See, I really appreciate it. My friends are working within the flow to make this house functional too, and I appreciate that.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Hey, paw, good girl, good paw. Paw, paw, good girl. Down, up, up, Maggie, up. Paw, good girl, Maggie, good girl.
What you had for me before. It's like we're
I can't, dude.
okay.
He's gonna-
Breath in and out. And blood pressure.
Come on. So what's up, fam? Tell me about your lives. I feel like we're all so functional. We do our own things now. How are your days?
I walked for 3 hours. No, more than that.
Around Santa Monica to here?
Bought
And,
some shoes.
and was it beautiful? Relaxing?
Yeah.
Anything weird happen?
I got a marriage proposal.
Really? From someone you know or a stranger?
Stranger.
Doesn't that happen
Wow.
like every day? Yeah.
In person someone asked you? Or on the internet?
On the boardwalk.
Wow.
This guy who was getting donations for something. I gave him a donation, and he's like, "Where are you from?" Blah, blah, blah. And then I told him, he's like, "Oh man, like if you want to stay and get married, you know where." I was like, "I know where to find you."
Congratulations.
Yeah.
So it's like a half yes?
I'm not
A third yes?
marrying this
Oh,
person.
okay. Lindsay. I'm kidding. Lindsay, how was your day?
It was good. I went to class and I went to the gym.
What'd you learn?
I learned about how stress can lead to like processes in the body that can lead to like heart disease.
Hell yeah.
Inflammation and heart disease. So don't stress.
That's so beautiful
Yeah.
that they're teaching that in school, because ain't that the truth?
Well, I mean the class is like mind-body interactions.
Awesome.
So that's
Yeah.
like what the whole class is about. How
Amazing.
stress kills you. So
So chill out, don't get stressed, realize what you're grateful for. Ben, you spent the day with me.
Yeah, we what did we
pretty
do?
fun.
Did yoga. Well, I did yoga in the morning. Then I went to the dog park. Then I did
Went to
some body work
Hollywood.
on you.
Went to Hollywood.
Went to Hollywood. That's right. That was
You got spooked by Edward
I got
Scissorhands.
spooked by Edward Scissorhands.
Aspen.
I don't. The morning was pretty like mediocre. I don't really remember what went down. But then we went on like a bike ride up that trail that we've been to a couple of times, and
How was it to ride on there?
Oh, it was good.
Fun?
Yeah, it was alright.
could have had the time of his life. He was so fucking stoked to be able to just like run
Yeah.
as fast as he could.
Coda. Nice. Well, I'm glad you all enjoyed your days. It's beautiful. Glad you're enjoying Los Angeles. Maggie peed.
On
When
the
I-
carpet.
When I left, she peed. But it's okay. I understand. People have left you. You get scared. I won't leave you.
It's just weird that she does it in the park.
Yeah, it is. It's interesting. But it's okay, right? We can't attach on to our dogs that are their own beings.
Yeah, they're their own.
They do things for reasons we can't always explain or justify.
Yeah.
You can't shame them. What are your impressions of Dixit?
It's looking good.
Yeah, dude,
Get excited.
get excited. It's a very good game. We're about to play Dixit. Haven't played that in a long time. Maybe 6 months. And Aspen made cookies. Getting our ice cream gains in.
There's water.
Got a few different ice creams, banana, and the cookies. Ooh, that is a nice pre-game to Dixit.
Cocky ass motherfucker.
This is a great day, guys. Much love, Dream Extreme. The days continue with LA time. It's starting to feel normal, which means gotta start planning the leave, which honestly is happening. I gotta get my shit together. I need a few more items I need to purchase and things to organize, and also dogs to teach. She is not about her booties, her little shoes I bought her, or her bike trailer, which is a problem because that's important. So I need to get into gear in terms of training her on that. We're gonna do that over the next few days. Much love, Dream Extreme fam. Such good vibes. I'm grateful for friends. I could be lonely here at the house, but instead I have this. So good.